Apple ID forgotten or stuck with the locked iPhone? I test 8 top iCloud bypass tools. To help you regain control, let's dive in. Part 1. The best iCloud bypass tool. iOS unlock. If Find My iPhone is on, the activation lock needs the Apple ID to erase or reuse the device. Forgot your Apple ID? iOS unlock is the best option to remove the lock. Want to open my iCloud with this powerful iCloud unlock tool efficiently? Here's the tutorial. Step 1. Connect your iPhone and launch the program. Link your iPhone to a computer. Run this iCloud unlock tool after the download and installation. Then choose Unlock from the on-screen modules. Step 2. Choose the right option. From the pop-up screen, you ought to select the Unlock Apple ID section to remove Apple ID from your iPhone. Step 3. Trust your computer. Click on Trust from your iPhone screen to create the virtual connection between your phone and this computer. Step 4. Erase all your iPhone content. Run a backup of your iPhone data because this iCloud unlock software will erase your iPhone. Afterward, click Unlock Now from the next screen and then tap on Unlock. Step 5. Reset all settings on your iPhone. You will be prompted to reset your iPhone. Just go with the instructions on the screen to reset your device. Step 6. Bypass iCloud. Once reset, your iPhone will reboot, and this iCloud bypass tool will initiate the Apple ID unlocking process automatically. This task should take a few minutes to complete. Step 7. Verify your Apple ID. After the successful unlock, a message will take you to the next screen, telling you that the Apple ID has been successfully removed. Part 227 Other iCloud Unlocker Tools. 1. iPhone iBapacer. iPhone iBapacer lets you remove the iCloud activation lock in various scenarios. After the unlock, you can access your iPhone, but not cellular, phone call, and iCloud of the new Apple ID. 2. AppAware Unlock. As one of the best iCloud removal tools, AppAware Unlock can unlock iPhone or iPad Face ID and Touch ID, Apple ID for various iDevices, and even newbies without expertise can handle the unlocking tasks. 3. TenorShare 4 Mekey. Working with Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, TenorShare 4 Mekey can delete iCloud without passcodes. Like a cork, this iPhone iCloud unlock software doesn't require its users to have the expertise, allowing them to log into the App Store immediately after bypassing the activation lock. 4. Wutechi Isilvor. Getting Wutechi Isilvor, you can easily remove your iCloud activation lock screen, bypass screen lock, and turn off Find My iDevice. It works for devices running iOS 12.3 and later. This iCloud unlock software provides all-weather customer service for you. 5. Open My iCloud. You can also utilize Open My iCloud, also called Open Me Cloud Easy Unlock Tool, to bypass iCloud. It accomplishes the process within 15 minutes. This iCloud bypass software is fully compatible with all iOS devices and all iOSs. 6. iRemove Tools. iRemove Tools can help its users to bypass the activation lock screen on iCloud and handle passcode-disabled iPhone remotely. This iCloud activation bypass tool offers a straightforward solution to get your issue settled, no matter why your iCloud is locked. 7. Apple iPhone Unlock. Apple iPhone Unlock, an iCloud hacker tool online, gives you the ability to unlock iCloud for iPhone. To use it, you need to select your country, SIM operator, enter your iPhone IMEI number, and then make a payment to get live tracking login info.